Hi, I'm Aaron, and I'm going to walk you through this Monroe move-in ready home today and tell you 3 really cool features that we designed into this plan that you might not notice if you walked through it. And then at the end, I'm going to tell you about how you can save $100,000 in payments off of this home. Stay tuned. The first feature that I wanted to show you in this home is this floor plan has the largest living room area of any of our floor plans. This thing goes on and on and on and on. You can have as many friends over as you want to, and you are going to have plenty of space to entertain. I know in our model homes we have put multiple sofas in here with multiple chairs and still had plenty of room for walkways and everybody to entertain in this space. So if you're looking for a massive space to have your family and friends over, look no further than this Monroe. Feature number 2 in this Monroe is the multi-purpose seating area you see behind me here. So in a lot of master suites, you've got room enough for the bed and maybe a dresser, maybe a couple nightstands. Well, in this one, you have room for all of that. Plus, you've got this separate seating area, and a lot of times people will put a couple chairs with a table in between. I've seen people put a small working office in this space. I've seen people put a treadmill with a TV right here. There are so many uses for that multi-purpose space. I think you're going to love the master suite on this Monroe. The third feature in this Monroe is the Hers and Hers master vanities. I'm kind of kidding, but kind of not. You've got a larger vanity here, which is obviously hers, and then you've got a vanity that's still an adequate size, but a little bit smaller, that probably is going to end up the his, but maybe they'll both be hers. But you've got 2 really good sized vanities. This is the most linear footage of vanity in any of our floor plans. So if you need a lot of space in that master bath, look no further than this Monroe. And last but not least, let's talk about the incredible incentive that we have on our move-in ready homes right now. If you are purchasing this month, you need to check us out because we have the largest incentive in the history of our company. This home has $40,000 in incentives. You can use that towards a permanent rate buy down, not one of these introductory ones where you only get like the first year at a lower rate. No, you'll get the entire 30-year mortgage at a low fixed rate right now. The rate is so low with this buy down that you will actually get the payment you would have on a home that's $100,000 less than this home. You heard me right. The payment you'll get with our rate buy down will be that of a home $100,000 less than this. So if you're waiting for the best opportunity to buy, call us today and let's get you in to look at this or any of our other move-in ready homes.